Hey guys, today I'm making a video of all my airsoft and BB guns that I have for sale. Not everything on the wall there is for sale, but what is for sale is the King Arms Thompson. It comes with 2 spare mags. My M4 right there, my AK, Kalashnikov, cyber gun approved, whatever. My WeTech EBR M14. It's gas blowback, comes with 2 magazines, comes with 3 magazines, sorry about that. And neither of those pistols are for sale. Down here are 2 BB guns. That CO2 powered repeater, I think it's called a Crossman repeater, and just a regular pump master. It's a bit older, as you can kind of see. It's about 2 years old, but it still works fine. Shoots pellets and BBs, and the CO2 powered one only shoots .177 caliber BBs. Pellets, sorry. That pistol right there is a Daisy Powerline spring action BB gun. And that right there is a Pumpmaster Classic. It shoots pellets only, and it's spring powered. Here is one of my break barrel pellet guns. It's a Gamo, and it's about a couple weeks old, that's it, and the velocity's like 1,300 feet per second. Here is my UTG Shadow Op sniper. I got it at Shorty USA for $179. Comes with a scope that I got for $40 and 4 magazines. Those 2 came with the gun, and those were like $25. So here's my Echo 1 ASC M187B sniper rifle. Pretty sure that's what it's called. And doesn't come with a scope, just 1 magazine. Does come with a bipod though. And that was originally $130. So there's that. And here's my Uzi. It's a TF11 Tactical Force. Comes with 2 magazines. The extra mag was $40. And the gun itself was $80. Here's a Walmart shotgun, and it's pretty beaten up, but back when I first got it, it was like $40 or whatever, but it still works fine and everything. Just that painted over it black. It's mag right there. So there's that. Here's a HFC gas-powered pocket pistol. Cost me about $30 and came with a suppressor, so you can screw that off and on. So here are all the guns. And the AK comes with 2 mags. That comes with 1. And the EBR comes with 3. If you're interested in any of these, please text me at 443-350-33 26, or send me an email like I have in the description at micheller464@hotmail.com. Thank you for watching, and see ya.